Is it safe to use diapers for the baby? Are they actually good? What type of diapers are good for your baby? And if you are using a diaper for your baby, then what precautions you have to take so that the baby will never get a diaper rash problem? If you are a new parent and if all these questions are troubling you also and you're looking for the right answer, then today's video is perfect for you. Hi guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another video from Mommy Talkies, and in today's video I'm going to answer all of your questions and clear all of your doubts regarding baby diapers. So let's get the video started. What happens here is when we use the diaper regularly for a baby, and in case the baby gets any kind of itchiness or redness or any sort of skin disease, the very first thing which comes to our mind is we immediately start blaming diapers for it. We start thinking that diaper is the only reason for the baby's diaper rash, but in reality it is a complete myth. Friends, diaper rash problem never ever occurs because of using diapers. Diaper rash problem occurs only when you are not using the diapers properly for your baby or using it right way for your baby. Now, what is the right way over here? Well, whenever you use the diaper for your baby, there are few points, things that you have to consider before using diapers for your baby. So now let's see what are those precautions that you can take in order to avoid the diaper rash in your baby. So point number one is that you have to select a right diapers for your baby. Now, as you already know, there are different brands and sizes of types of diapers available in the market. So there are few features which you have to consider over here. Number one, then select a gel based diaper for your baby. What happens in gel based diaper? It has a substance called hydrogel which immediately converts the water or immediately converts the liquid into a gel format, and the water will not leak from the diaper or the liquid will not leak from the diaper, which is absolutely safe for your baby. Else what you can do is there are few diapers which is available with aloe vera coating, or there are few diapers which is available with vitamin E coating, which is again very good for your baby's skin. So number one is very clear here. You have to select a right diapers for your baby. If possible, select a diaper with a gel based format or vitamin E, or it has aloe vera in it. Precaution number two is that you have to change your baby's diaper regularly. Now please understand, every baby's pee capacity is different. In the beginning you will see newborn babies pee approximately 12 to 13 times in a day. They are obviously you have to change the diaper every 2 hours basis or 3 hours basis. Guys, please understand, pee and potties are acidic and they are absolutely not good for your baby's skin, and generally babies get diaper rash problem because of the wetness, and in case if you change the diapers regularly, that problem will be solved and the babies will not get diaper rash problem over here. Precaution number three is equally important, that you have to sanitize or clean your hands yourself before changing the diapers for your baby. Why so? Sometimes what happens is maybe we are busy doing household work and immediately in between we have to leave our work and come and change diapers for your baby, but sometimes there are germs on your hands also which can be easily get transferred to the baby's skin. So please wash your hands or sanitize your hands before you change the diapers for your baby. Precaution number four that you have to take over here is, if you can, if it is possible for you, please clean the baby's diaper area with lukewarm water instead of using cotton or a wipes. Now what happened here is, obviously when you clean the baby diaper area with water, it's more hygienic compared to cotton or a wipes. But in case if you want to use a wipe also, there's no problem at all, but then please make sure that it is alcohol free wipes or paraben free wipes, which is absolutely safe for your baby. And in case if you're using cottons to wipes the baby's diaper area, then please wet the cotton first with a very clean water and then use it. Precaution number five that you have to take over here is, please let the baby diaper area dry before using another diaper or before changing their diaper. Now what happens here is, their skin needs some time, their skin needs some air. So what is recommended is, maybe you can use a small cotton or a handkerchief or tissues or a wipes, whatever is comfortable. Just use it and tap the diaper area very gently, let it dry, let the skin breathe, and then you change the next diaper for your baby. Precaution number six is equally important, that you have to moisturize your baby's skin before changing the next diaper. Now, as a moisturizer, you can use anything over here, whatever suits your baby. You can use baby creams, you can use baby lotions, you can use diaper rash cream, you can use the natural moisturizers like you can use coconut oil or you can use the olive oil, whatever suits your baby. Just apply it before changing the next diaper. Just moisturize their skin before changing the diaper. Now, what happens here is it makes a very thin layer between the diaper and the baby's skin, and it avoids any sort of wetness or getting in touch with the baby's skin, and again avoids the diaper rash problem. Next precaution that you have to take over here is whenever you make them wear a diaper, please do not make it very tight, or please do not make it very loose also. If the diapers are very tight for your baby, again the skin will not be able to breathe and babies will get very uncomfortable with it. And if the diapers are very loose, then obviously it will start leaking and it is acidic, which is again very harmful for your baby's skin. Last precaution but not the least is again very equally important, is that you have to give some diaper free time. Guys, please understand anything excessive is not good for anybody. How come using a diaper for 24 hours is good for your baby? Of course it is not. Then what you have to do is you have to give some diaper free time. Whatever time is comfortable for you, maybe after a massage you can give them a diaper free time, or maybe whenever the baby is playing, at that time you can give them a diaper free time. But please give some diaper free time to your baby, and please let their skin breathe also. So now let's talk about the cloth nappies. So in case if you want to use the cloth nappies for your baby, that is also absolutely fine. There is no harm with it. But then there are a couple of precautions that you have to take over here also. I mean, whenever baby pees, you have to change their cloth nappies immediately. And at the same time, you have to clean them properly. Sometimes what happens, the leftover bacteria from cloth nappies can also get transferred to the baby's skin and then again cause a diaper rash problem. Then please clean it properly. Use a right detergent which is meant for a baby, and to remove the bacteria properly, and then use it so that a baby will never get a diaper rash problem with it, and you can happily use the cloth nappies for your baby. So this was today's video about diapers. I really hope that you found this video helpful. In case if you have any doubt about today's video, then please let me know in the comment section. And in case if you're coming first time to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Also, we keep on making the videos like this for you. So with that, I will end today's video and I will see you in my next video with a lot of new information and new tips. Till then, bye bye, take care.